Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to open or edit WebP images in Windows. Firstly, visit the official WinIrfan website at winirfan.com. After downloading, open the zip archive and click Extract All from the toolbar. Ensure Show Extracted Files when complete is checked, then click Extract. Now open the extracted folder and double-click the WinIrfan Tweaker setup. Follow the installation steps and make sure to run WinIrfan Tweaker is checked at the end, then click Finish. Now in WinIrfan Tweaker, scroll down to Get Classics Apps. Click Activate Windows Photo Viewer, then click the Activate Windows Photo Viewer button. Now, download the WebP codec and run WebP codec setup.exe. Click Next, accept the license of agreement, then Next, then choose typical installation and install and finish it. Now right-click on the WebP image file and click Open With, then choose another app. Select Windows Photo Viewer and check always use this app to set it as default, then click OK. If you want to open all WebP images by default in Windows Photo Viewer, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and choose Defaults by File type. Now scroll to WebP and click the current app and choose Windows Photo Viewer. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.